This is a challenging living challenge for white. If you need a hit, the first few moves have to be these. What happens now is that black must capture these two stones this way, or potentially black can also play this. But look at both. Let's look at this first. And now it's very tempting for white to cut here, but white shouldn't cut. After cutting here, there's actually not much for white to play because black is already alive here after capturing number 7. So this way, white will be short. Instead, white should play this bend, threatening this cut. If black connects here, what's happening now is that white can build an eye here while threatening to kill black. So black will have to connect here. And this way, white can connect at 11, which guarantees a real eye here. And now black cannot prevent white from making another real eye because of black's shortage of liberties here. So this will be capturing 3 stones and preserving 1 real eye. And that's why number 8 here will not work. What about this? This seems like a better move. If white relents, now black will Atari and white will fail. But white has this double honey. It's a very sharp move. If black Ataris here, white can throw in here. This is a snapback and essentially a double Atari, like this. Or this. Either way, black will fail. So that's why number 10 must connect here. And now white can Atari here, making this eye, and play at number 13, which is threatening to make another eye. And now black must connect. Otherwise, black will be killed if white gets to play here. Now white only needs to build this eye, and there will be another eye right here. So white is alive. Very hard to see how white can build these 2 eyes at the beginning of this problem, but this is how it's solved. Now let's briefly look at number 6 right here. This way, white must capture number 2, and it seems like these 3 black stones will be able to connect back. But white can actually cut here. It seems like a double Atari, but capturing here is sente in terms of this corner. If black captures here, white can throw in here and capture these 4 stones in this connect and die. So this way, white will be able to live, even if black plays here and destroys this eye. White can still find an eye with number 21 right here. If black plays here, now white can Atari a couple times and still make a living shape this way. If black destroys this eye, white again can throw in here. So black will probably want to save these stones and allow white to build another real eye here. So that is why number 6 here also doesn't work. But overall, this is super complicated. There are many other variations that are possible. So please make sure you spend some time going through the variations and use this problem as a good exercise. Good luck and thank you for watching.